Founded in 1982, K&S Services is a leading industrial repair provider in North America. We stock over $9 million of remanufactured repairable parts from manufacturers like Allen Bradley, Bosch Rexroth, Fanuc, Mitsubishi, and Siemens that are saving our customers thousands of dollars versus buying new. Our inventory includes components that have been obsolete for many years to the latest technology on the market today. Please visit our website at kns.com to view our complete inventory. As an ISO certified business, we're committed to quality and efficiency in everything we do. Every remanufactured part is certified and tested in our closed loop system, which simulates how the unit will perform in a manufacturing environment that will meet or exceed OEM specifications. All remanufactured parts are backed by our full 12-month in-service warranty that begins when the unit is placed back into service. K&S can ship most items in 3 to 5 business days, or you can request same-day shipping on select items. We also have a large inventory of ready-to-go spares that can be shipped the same day after receiving the approval. K&S Services will also buy spare parts directly from you, including obsolete components. Just provide us with the model numbers of your parts, the quantity of items you want to sell to us, and the condition of the parts. Then, one of our team members will provide you with a quote. Find what you need at K&S Services. Visit us online to view our complete inventory or call us today if you have spare parts you want to sell.